I never knew adding balloon garland to your gift box or cake box would look this good. Like it just popped up the cake tray, the gift tray. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Let me show you how I did it.
Hi guys. I want to make some party pack for my baby boy. So first of all, I'm going to be.
Today's my birthday.
Yeah.
Today's my birthday.
So I'm going to be using this ribbon. All I did was just wrap it around this basket and this wooden tray. So I tied a bow and I used a glue dot to glue the bow on it because I don't want to spoil the ribbon. The ribbon, I want to use it for my baby's hair bow, so I don't want to spoil it. So this wire is a hanger. I just loosened the hanger because I don't have the time to go to the market to buy wire. JD, stop it! Now you're scratching this thing. Why are you doing that? I don't have the time to go to the market to get wire, so I'm just making do with what I have. Last Sunday, Jaden's birthday was on Sunday, and his birthday, we had our mid-year Thanksgiving in church. I went to church from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this is what I want to do. So I'm going to attach this here.
So guys, I decided to leave that part of the video raw so you guys can see how excited my baby boy was for his birthday. Like, I don't know, kids are always so excited. And the fact that they are kids makes it so special because his birthday had passed at this point, but Jaden was still excited. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. And guys, you cannot believe that I bought some gifts because Jaden has been crying for cars. So I got 2 cars for him. And I forgot to give this boy until after a week. And I remembered, like, Jesus Christ, because I hid it. Oh God, Mom. How do you guys do when you hide something? How do you remember? Mom brain can destabilize you. It's not easy. So back to the video. I used a hot glue gun, as you saw there. Fortune helped me with the hot glue gun to attach the wire to the tray. I also added some plastic tape around it to further strengthen it. Then I went ahead, to blow up my balloons. Had to try my best to make it tiny, which wasn't really so successful because some were big and all that. I wanted everything to be very small, but I did not have any small sized balloons at home. Like I said, due to work and church, I could not go to the market to get anything. So all I'm using is what I have at home. So the color I wanted to use was maybe sky blue and maybe gold, something like that, or sky blue and white. But I did not have it, like I said. So I'm just going to make use. I had some gold and red balloons lying down at home. I decided to just make use of that. And this is how the food tray is turning out. Guys, you can actually do this for your food tray. Maybe you have somebody you want to surprise. You can just spice it up, spice the gift tray like this. And it's so beautiful. You can do anything. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy about how it turned out because, wow, I cannot believe that I can do this out of hangers and, little balloons at home and just make everything pop. So guys, tell me, are you going to try this? And Yes, I know it's been a long time, like it's been over a month. I posted a long form content in this channel, guys. Forgive me. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my returning subbies, my family who usually comes back to watch my videos, thank you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And to my shorts family, I've been posting on shorts, and my shorts have been gaining tractions, even though like monetary is not, I'm not seeing anything, but I'm liking the engagement on my shorts form content. So yeah, for the party pack, all I had to do was some bubbles, snacks, juice, and some pencils, erasers, and because this is like his 4th year birthday. It's not like a milestone year, but we're still grateful. I just wanted to still do something for him. And yeah, pending his 5th year birthday by God's grace, which I know is going to be bigger and better than this. So guys, tell me, are you going to try this out with your gift box, with your cake box? Just tell me. And yeah. So guys, Let me just keep quiet so you guys enjoy the video. At the end of the video, you're going to see what happened in school. So we got to his school and luckily for us, some other student was celebrating his birthday, like his 10th year birthday, and they decorated the whole place. But the decorations were blue and white. Oh my God, and ours were red and gold. But anyways, we still had fun. Everything still worked out perfectly. So yeah, just enjoy. Stay tuned till you get to the celebration in school to watch the pictures with him and his colleagues and everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye for now. Oh my God, guys, I know I said goodbye before, but I couldn't help coming to show my excitement on how beautiful this cake tray came out. Look at the cake there, the gifts at the side, and the balloon garland really spiced up this whole tray. It looks so beautiful. I transformed it from ordinary tray to a celebration tray. This looks so beautiful. Tell me if you're gonna try this out, guys.
Closer. Jenny, let's go. Look out, Jenny. 1, 2, go. Smile. Oh, I am smile. Go, Jenny, go touch the fire. Jenny, look up. 1, 2, go.
What's your video, Nabi?
I am playing your candle.
Leave there.
Don't bring your eye. I don't want your hand. Just shoot. Let's go. 1, 2, go. Fame, let's go. Stay there. Eva, let's go. 1, 2, say cheese. Ivan.
Now let's sing. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you, JD. May the good Lord bless you.
We wish you well.
We wish you
My baby. Happy return of the day. Long life and prosperity.
hip, hip, hip.
Yeah, look here. Jojo. Jennifer. Yes. I eat your cake again. Happy birthday, JD. Yeah.